Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Snapchat on your MacBook and use it like a standalone desktop app, even though there's no official Snapchat app for macOS. The setup is quick and only takes about a minute. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus space to open Spotlight Search, type Safari, and press Enter. Once Safari opens, go to snapchat.com. Wait for the website to fully load, and sign in to your account if needed. Now move your cursor to the top of the screen and click File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small confirmation window will appear. You can rename it if you'd like, or just leave it as Snapchat, then click Add. That's it. You'll now see the Snapchat icon in your dock, just like a normal app. When you click it, Snapchat opens in its own dedicated window instead of a browser tab. It feels more like a real desktop application. Even if you completely close Safari, Snapchat will continue running independently. This gives you a cleaner experience, especially if you don't want social apps mixed in with your other browser tabs. And that's it. You've successfully installed Snapchat as a standalone app on your MacBook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.